In this video, we are going to explore how to handle file uploads in Node.js applications. We'll be focusing on using a popular middleware called Multer to simplify the process. Multer is a Node.js middleware specifically designed for handling multi-part or form data, which is the standard way browsers send files to a server. Its primary use is for uploading files. Multer is built on top of Busboy, which ensures maximum efficiency when dealing with file uploads. Before we can start using Multer, we need to install it in our Node.js project. To do this, open your terminal and run the command npm install multer. If you don't have Express installed already, you can install both Express and Multer with this command npm install express multer. Now that we have Multer installed, let's set up a basic configuration in our Node.js application. First, we need to import both the Express and Multer libraries. Then, we create an Express application instance. Finally, we initialize Multer with a destination folder where uploaded files will be stored. Here is the code. Const express equals require express. Const multer equals require multer. Const app equals express parenthesis. Const upload equals multer parenthesis, with des key having value uploads /. Let's see how to handle a single file upload using Multer. This code snippet demonstrates how to create a route that uses the upload single method to handle a single file uploaded through a form field named file. The file information is then available in req.file. Here is the code. app.post parenthesis /upload, comma, upload at single parenthesis file parenthesis comma, parenthesis req, comma, res parenthesis, arrow curly braces. Console.log parenthesis, req.file parenthesis. Residential.send parenthesis, file uploaded successfully, parenthesis, semicolon, closing curly brace, closing parenthesis, semicolon. Now let's explore how to handle multiple file uploads using Multer. This code demonstrates how to create a route that uses the upload.array method to handle multiple files uploaded through a form field named files. The second argument, 5, specifies the maximum number of files that can be uploaded at once. The file information is then available in req.files. Here is the code. app.post parenthesis /multiple, comma, upload.array parenthesis files, comma, 5 parenthesis, comma, parenthesis req, comma, res parenthesis, arrow curly braces. Console.log parenthesis, req.files parenthesis. Residential.send parenthesis, files uploaded successfully parenthesis, semicolon, closing curly brace, closing parenthesis, semicolon. To ensure that only certain types of files are uploaded, we can use Multer's file filter option. This code snippet demonstrates how to configure Multer to only accept image files. The file filter function checks the MIME type of the uploaded file and only allows uploads if the MIME type starts with image /. Here is the code. Const upload equals multer parenthesis, curly braces. Des uploads /, comma, file filter parenthesis req, comma, file, comma, cb parenthesis arrow curly braces. If parenthesis file.mimetype starts with parenthesis, image / parenthesis curly braces. cb parenthesis null, comma, true parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace else curly braces. cb parenthesis new error parenthesis only images allowed parenthesis, comma, false parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace, closing curly brace, closing parenthesis semicolon. Multer allows you to configure how files are stored on your server's disk. This code snippet demonstrates how to use the disk storage method to specify the destination folder and the file name of the uploaded files. Here is the code. Const storage equals multer.disk storage parenthesis, curly braces. Destination parenthesis req, comma, file, comma, cb parenthesis arrow curly braces. CB parenthesis null comma uploads forward slash parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace, comma filename colon parenthesis req comma file comma CB parenthesis arrow curly braces. CB parenthesis null comma date.now parenthesis plus hyphen plus file.original name parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace closing parenthesis semicolon. Const upload equals multer parenthesis curly braces storage closing curly braces closing parenthesis semicolon. In addition to disk storage, Multer also provides a memory storage option. This option stores the uploaded files in memory as a buffer, which can be useful for processing files directly in your application without saving them to disk first. The file is available as buffer in req.file.buffer. Here is the code. Const storage equals multer.memory storage parenthesis semicolon. Const upload equals multer parenthesis curly braces storage closing parenthesis semicolon. It's important to handle errors that may occur during file uploads. This code snippet demonstrates how to handle errors that may occur during the upload process. The upload.single method takes a callback function that receives an error object if an error occurred. Here is the code. app.post parenthesis /upload, comma parenthesis req, comma res parenthesis arrow curly braces. Upload.single parenthesis file parenthesis req, comma res comma parenthesis air parenthesis arrow curly braces. If parenthesis air parenthesis curly braces return residential.status parenthesis for 100 parenthesis .send parenthesis air.message parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace. Residential.send parenthesis upload successful parenthesis semicolon closing curly brace closing parenthesis semicolon. To ensure the security and stability of your file upload implementation, it's important to follow these best practices. Always validate file types and sizes to prevent malicious uploads. Set file size limits to prevent abuse and denial of service attacks. Store files outside the web root to prevent direct access from the internet. Scan uploaded files for malware to protect your server and users from harm. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.